This is the fourth video in our 5-part series, Remark Test Grading Edition 2 Designer. In this video, we demonstrate how to add and customize math type questions. In particular, these math sections are appropriate for questions asking for specific numerical answers where students bubble in their answer. For example, if the answer to a math question were -1.5, the student might bubble in 4 different bubbles. The first one containing the negative sign, the second one containing the digit 1, the third bubble containing the decimal point, and the fourth one containing the digit 5. To create a new math section, click on the Math Sections drop-down caret and click on the Here button, or click on the New button. In the Math Section Add window that's brought up, we need to specify the properties of our section. You have the option of adding a title, and you can add up to 50 math questions. Answer length is where you specify the number of digit or character places that you want to allow for student answers. You are allowed a maximum of 15 digit or character places. Orientation for the math section is just like the orientation for the student ID region in the header. Horizontal orientation puts each digit or character of the student's answer in its own row, and vertical puts each character or digit in its own column. You also have the option of including negative sign, fraction slash, and decimal point bubbles in addition to the numerical bubbles. You can use the underscore option if you want students to write in their responses in addition to bubble them in. Some instructors might want to use the underscores to verify students bubbled in answers. The option to show question numbers is specific to math sections. Question numbers are automatically added to multiple choice sections and subjective sections, but question numbers must be specified for math sections in order for them to be included with the questions. Notice that the Restart Question Numbering option is only available if you have the Show Question Numbers checked. Restart Question Numbering, Line Break, and Page Break were all options that were explained in the third video of this series on multiple choice questions. Restart Question Numbering is useful if you want question numbering to start over when you create this section. For example, suppose you already had a multiple choice section with 10 questions. Instead of picking up at number 11, this math section would restart at question 1. Insert Line Break adds a line immediately before the selected section. Page Break puts this section on a new page. Click on Add to add your new math section. Here we have our 2 math questions. Notice the write-in boxes that we included, and the negative sign, fraction slash, and decimal point bubbles. The same tools used to modify, delete, and re-add multiple choice sections apply to math sections as well. You can always go back and edit a section by clicking on the pencil icon, making your changes, and clicking on the Update button. To delete a section, click on the trash can symbol next to the section that you want to delete. Then click on Delete. Finally, to re-add a recently created section, click on the Recent drop-down menu and click on the style of question that you desire to replicate. Then click on Add. In this video, we explained how to add and customize math type questions with the Remark Test Grading Edition 2 Designer feature. In our final video of this series, Remark Test Grading Edition 2 Designer, we will discuss subjective type questions.